Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sashana, and in today's video I'm going to be installing seamless clip-ins for the very first time. So if you're interested in seeing how I went from looking like this to this, then keep on watching. Thank you so much Eayon here for sponsoring today's video. They sent me 2 packs of their Yaki Straight Seamless Clip-ins in 22 inches. The hair came in a customized color that I absolutely love. The hair was soft and lightweight, and as you can see, the weft is super thin, and that's what's going to make the install seamless. They sent me 2 pieces with 4 clips, 4 pieces with 3 clips, 4 pieces with 2 clips, and 4 pieces with 1 clip. So I started off on freshly washed hair, and I went ahead and part my hair into 4 sections to make the blow drying and straightening process easier. I'm going in with my Tresemme heat protectant since I'll be using a lot of heat for this style, and then I'm just going in with my detangling brush to make sure I properly detangle each section before I blow dry it. First, I'm using the tension method to blow dry my hair, and that's just me pulling on my hair while I blow dry it, and then I'm gonna go in with my hair dryer brush to make sure that the entire section is properly blow dried. I'm working in small sections to straighten my hair because I really wanted the texture of my hair to blend with the texture of the seamless clip-ins. I didn't want it to be bone straight because the seamless clip-ins aren't bone straight, but I wanted it to be straight enough so that it could blend seamlessly. If you're using this method to install your seamless clip-ins, one thing that I would say is not to focus too much on getting the roots to be really straight, because you're going to have to tease your roots before you insert the seamless clip-ins anyways, and you'll see what I mean later on in the video. And I'm just straightening the clip-ins because they looked a little bit bent and crinkled. So I went ahead and sectioned my hair into 3 parts, just so I could work with smaller sections. For the first section in the back, you want to make sure that you part out enough hair to cover the clip-in if you do a ponytail. Then you're just going to check to see which clip-in fits in that area. For me, it was the piece with 2 clips. Then you're going to go in and back comb your roots to tease your roots, just to help secure the clips once you insert them. Then you're just going to open the clips, insert them, and close the clips. That's all there is to it, guys. It's really easy to install the clip-ins. Actually, this was the easiest step for me. I feel like the next time I do seamless clip-ins, I might try the braided method, since blow drying and straightening my hair just takes so long. But yeah, the actual installation of the clip-ins is really simple. I'm just gonna let you guys watch me install the rest of these clip-ins, and I'm gonna show you guys which pieces I used for each part. Like I said guys, this was my very first time trying seamless clip-ins, and it took me about 2.5 hours to complete this style, only because I did blow dry and straighten my hair. But installing the clips actually took less than an hour. So this is a very beginner friendly hairstyle. This hair, it was very easy to work with, very easy to install, soft, lightweight. It almost felt as if there was no hair on my head. It's very versatile. You can pull your hair into a ponytail, you can do a side part, you can do a middle part. Now I'm just going in with some shine and jam and cleaning up that middle part to make it neat and straight. So after I got done installing all the clip-ins, my hair was not blending the way I wanted it to. I tried going in with my hot comb, but that wasn't working. So I used a few products, and that is what has one side of my hair looking so blended, flat, and neat. So first I'm going in with my Got2b glue, and I'm just using that to lay my edges. I really love using this glue for my edges because it keeps my edges laid for at least 2 days. Then I'm going in with some Got2b spray, and then I'm just going to use my hard bristle brush to really brush and slick down all of my natural hair that was just really frizzy and sticking out. I'm also using this wax stick that I usually use on my wigs, and this is also going to help to slick the hair down. Then I tied my hair down for like 15 minutes with my do-rag. This is a finished look, you guys. I love how this hairstyle turned out. I'll definitely be trying it again in the future because it was really easy to install. I love how flat the clip-ins were and how light this hair actually felt. All the details to this hair will be in the description box below, so make sure you check the description box. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful if you're doing seamless clip-ins for the very first time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.